Sebanyak 1.779 tentara bayaran asing dikabarkan kini telah meninggalkan Ukraina. Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia mengklaim telah membunuh hampir 2.000 tentara bayaran asing sejak invasi dimulai. Hal ini karena para tentara bayaran asing tersebut tak mampu menghadapi kekuatan militer Rusia. Polandia disebut sebagai negara yang paling banyak mengirimkan pasukan ke Ukraina, diikuti Romania dan Inggris. Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia juga menyebut tentara bayaran yang tiba di Ukraina juga berasal dari Kanada, Amerika Serikat, dan Georgia. Kemenhan Rusia menambahkan jumlah prajurit asing telah berkurang dan banyak yang meninggalkan Ukraina. Hal ini karena meningkatnya jumlah kegagalan militer Kiev dan kerugian harian besar-besaran dalam tenaga dan peralatan. Diketahui invasi Rusia pertama kali dilakukan pada akhir Februari lalu. Seorang pejabat Eropa menyebut telah mengirimkan pasukan militer dalam perang itu. Sekira 2.000 tentara bayaran dari perusahaan militer swasta Rusia, yakni grup Wagner, telah dikerahkan. Selain itu, Suriah dan Libya juga ikut bertempur di sisi pasukan Moskwa.
Against the backdrop of Kiev regime's mounting military failures and massive daily losses in manpower and equipment, the flow of foreign mercenaries to Ukraine has not only decreased, but is actually turning in the opposite direction. Despite the Kiev regime's efforts and increased payments, the process of mercenaries leaving to the other world or back to their countries of residence has not been stopped by the Kiev leadership. Recent empty statements about almost 2,000 foreigners fighting against the Russian armed forces are just plain lies. As we have already noted, the Russian Defense Ministry monitors and records the presence in Ukraine of every representative of this international gathering of headless horsemen. Moreover, it's not only mercenaries directly involved in combat operations, as part of Ukrainian units that are now included in our databases. We also take into account the trainers who have come to train, assist in the operation and repair of Western weapons supplied to Ukraine. We will publish these statistics today. For example, among European countries, Poland is undisputed leader in terms of the number of mercenaries both arriving and dying. Since the beginning of the special military operation, 1,831 people have arrived in Ukraine, of whom 378 have already been killed, and 272 mercenaries have departed for their homeland. It's followed by Romania, with 504 arrivals, 102 deaths, and 98 departures. The UK is in the third place, 422 arrivals, 101 deaths, 95 departures. Among the Americas, Canada leads the way, 601 arrivals, 162 deaths, 169 departures. The USA comes second, 530 arrivals, 214 deaths, 227 departures. From the Middle East, Trans-Caucasus and Asia, the largest number, 355 mercenaries, came from Georgia, of whom 120 died and 90 left Ukraine. Then, there are 200 terrorist fighters redeployed from the US-controlled areas of Jazira region in Syria. To date, 80 have been eliminated and 66 have left Ukraine. In total, our lists, as on June 17, 2022, include mercenaries and weapons operating specialists from 64 countries. Since the beginning of the special military operation, 6,956 people have arrived in Ukraine, 1,956 have already been eliminated, and 1,779 have left. As long as 3,321 mercenaries are alive, not yet captured, or have not yet escaped to the Ukrainian border. Detailed information is published on the Russian Ministry of Defense Information Resources on the Internet.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!